Whew, guys, setting out for a last day of fishing before I unfortunately have to leave.
Sad day.
Yeah, first we're gonna go get some more pencil bait, and then we're gonna head out just up on the river, or more to the mouth, and then yeah, hopefully we can catch another grunter. Be interesting. Let's go.
Yay! My Prince Charming. Thank you, servant.
Okay, so normal, usually prawn is just a normal circular little circle, like a little channel hole, and then you get pencil bait, which looks like a little keyhole. So it has one larger hole and one smaller hole, but both are connected. So let me show you. This one looks exactly like a keyhole. Honestly, that's the best way I can explain it. It looks like a little keyhole. So yeah, but yeah, there's Philip and them over there, trying to pump for some pencil bait. Yeah, so get some. Obviously we've got quite a few now, and I don't think we're gonna fish that much, so I presume they're not gonna get too much pencil bait. Yeah.
Nice.
Primarily there's two ways of getting to pencil bait. Number one, you can either use the normal pump, then you just pump it out of the ground, or you can use a little wire to like twist it in the back of it and then just pull the pencil bait out, which is what these guys are doing. Yeah, I'll see if I can ask them to show you. So that's how it works. Just put it up with a little wire. Oh, cool, another one. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, that was kind of cool. The guy was nice enough to let us, or for me to film him taking out the pencil bait. Really thankful for that, since I don't have the wire. But yeah, the shell, what he said was the shell is very, very soft. So if you use the pump, naturally sometimes if you just pull halfway up, it can break the shell in half. That means you basically are wasting some bait. But at the moment that's all we have, and it's working, and we do use the bait even if it's broken in half. So yeah, seems like we basically have enough for the day, but I think Philip and them are gonna get a few extra for the next few days.
Thank you, my peasant.
Okay. Let's see, Leafy. Okay, first things first, you want to take out the inside of the pencil bait out of the shell so you can put that on your hook. It's very squishy and worm-like and sticks to the shell quite good, so you have to like try and not break it. I'm doing a terrible job here, as you can see. Now for my bait presentation, I usually just thread the pencil bait onto the hook like I would a piece of bloodworm. In this case it was very squishy and very hard to do, and I like to keep my hook as proud as possible. At the end of my bait I usually keep a little piece dangling, so it looks a bit more natural. When I'm finishing up my bait, I usually use some cotton to tighten up the bait around the hook. Since it is a very soft bait, it tends to fall off quite easily, so when the grunter does suck it up, there's always a chance of it falling off, so the cotton really comes in handy there. The reason why I keep a proud hook is for when the grunter blows up or pulls in the bait into its mouth, the hook is always easily attachable to the inside of the mouth, so when it does suck it up, it just hooks easily on the inside, and then you have a fish on, which is obviously what you want. Yes, so is 'n mooi vis. Daar kan staan. Kom, zo.
Hallelujah! Yes, boys! Finally, fuck sakes. Machtig. Daar is een mooi Grunter, bliksem. Finally, bro. Finally. Yes. Oh my gosh. Spotted Grunter, courtesy of the Breda River. Huh? People looking for this for the past 3-4 days. That's the Grunter we've been looking for. Ah, finally getting it. Dis 'n mooie, né? Yes. Dis 'n baie mooie. Dis 'n flippin' mooie. Okay, wees rustig, wees rustig. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Man. Oh my man. Yes, man. Yes. Oh. Where's the Grunter? Woo! Holy shit! Oh, that's awesome. Oh, it shakes, bro. It shakes. Oh my word. Oh my gosh. I freak so out. What even? What the hell? Oh, that was epic. That was fucking epic. Jeez, man. Can you pull it? That was insane. Philip and I, we decided, yeah, it seems like it's actually a good time to head out to Grunters because friends of ours, Chris, they were actually catching quite a lot. So yeah, we headed out and we were surprised to see that God sent us 2 beautiful fish, 2 beautiful Grunters. Amen on that, brother. Honestly, insanely happy. My very first Grunter ever caught. Beautiful fish. Yeah, just look at that. Yeah. Look at the beauty. Gorgeous. But yeah, gonna fillet them out now and yeah, gonna enjoy them tonight.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, got a